Heart is beating. Literally, if I can put this microphone up to my chest, you would hear boop, 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 boop. Are you guys having fun tonight? I need some more energy out of this room. This is the Alguna Film Festival will be the biggest film festival in the world, and we get to come here early. This is the 6th annual. 10 years from now, we're gonna say we were here first. Make some noise, guys. This is a big deal, okay? I don't want to take up too much time, but I want to really make you guys understand why my heart is beating so fast. It's not because I'm on stage. I've been on a few stages here and there. It's because of my love for the Middle East. It's my love for the culture.